moving around my pygmy. Obviously, some species are banned. Just to give you an idea how comfortable they are under the old dead branch debris. Unless you clean it out, they will basically take over the neighborhood. I have to get away with this. Excuse me, it's an Olympus. It's not a sophisticated camera, but I guess you can get the general idea what these little darlings look like. And it's their home, at least for the time being. We say goodnight.